Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 20E. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Maps offline. In the beginning, let's enter Google Maps. Now tap button in the left corner and go to Offline Maps. Now select your own map and adjust the area you want to download. Tap download, and now you have to wait a little bit. Enter your map, and you can turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data as well, and navigate offline in area you downloaded. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.